Hello, West Michigan. Chief Meteorologist Ellen Baca here alongside meteorologist Sarah Flynn, meteorologist Blake Harms. We're keeping a very close eye on all the separate cells ahead of this line and within this main storm line. Want to show you what's happening right now. Now, there has been a little bit of spin at times in some of these cells just to the north of Kalamazoo into the Matawan. Well, Matawan is not north of Kalamazoo, but Matawan up to Plainwell. But the one that we were concerned about was this one in Branch County, and it was strong enough that the National Weather Service issued a tornado warning in association with it. Looks like this likely will expire as this cell continues to move into Calhoun County. You can see there's still a subtle rotation that's popping up on our wind tracker. The rotation of this storm, so spinning storm, is getting ready to move towards Teconcha, and it's getting ready to cross over I-69. So I have a feeling that we're going to be seeing a lot of lightning, gusty winds, and we're going to continue to watch to see if that circulation can tighten back up. If it does so, the tornado warning could be extended off to the northeast into Calhoun County. So right now, Teconcha, I would say, even though you're not technically in the tornado warning, still go inside, make sure you're away from windows, go to that lowest level of a secure building. This is moving pretty quickly at about 45 to 50 miles per hour. So Sarah steering the radar for us here. She's showing us everything in association with this line. Heavy rain right now from Kalamazoo down to Coldwater. And you can see that the rain is really filling in. So everywhere that we have the light green, steady light rain, everywhere that you see this big red line dealing with heavy downpours. It's a very tropical air mass. I want you to zoom out for a moment too so that we can see, after we put the track on, just how many people are dealing with rain. But if we look at the speed of this particular line, you can see it's rolling towards places like Battle Creek, close to about 558, Homer 603, Marshall 604. Once this passes, the severe threat should really drop off for you folks, because you can see it's just kind of leftover rain after that strong line pushes through. We do have a few other cells, these north of Muskegon stretching over towards Greenville. We've been watching these closely too, occasionally just a tiniest bit of spin, but so far nothing concerning for us. Switching and looking at futurecasts now, you can see how this line continues as we go throughout the evening. By 8 o'clock, we're likely going to see it lift towards Flint and Saginaw, but still showers fill in. So we're expecting the rain to continue well after dark. In fact, I think that we should have some decent downpours overnight tonight, even with some rain showers sticking around by sunrise tomorrow. Thursday morning, temperatures in the low 60s. It'll still feel kind of humid in the morning, but as we go through the afternoon, we're going to start to tap into some drier air, and that means a good portion of the afternoon should actually be sunny and dry. As we get closer to about 8 o'clock, some of that cooler air could pop off, a shower or storm diving down from the northwest. So folks, especially in Big Rapids, down to Muskegon, late in the evening, you're going to want to watch for that. But we'll be here. We'll let you know if it's something that needs to be watched carefully or if it's just going to be bringing some needed rain. Here's a planner for tomorrow. Starting off with rain, gradually clearing through at least 6 o'clock. The winds out of the west at 8 miles per hour. Tomorrow, we're going to be feeling the humidity kind of settle down a bit, but my goodness, we have so much warmth ahead. Temps in the 90s, heat indices potentially up near 100 for a good portion of the nation, including Michigan. We're going to start that trend Saturday and continue into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. So here's the latest on the 8-day forecast. Hot, humid, looks like storm chances should generally steer clear for the weekend. But Brian, Sue, if anything pops, you know that we're going to have eyes on it. And just want to say, with this storm that's rolling from Branch into Calhoun, if anything concerning happens, we will be cutting back in to let you know.